Every year, thousands of beekeepers throughout America produce millions of pounds of honey. These beekeepers own and operate colonies of bees, starting with a single queen bee that can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day. Beginning in the spring, bees gather nectar and return to the hive, which can contain about 50 to 60,000 worker bees. Starting in late July, the beekeeper will begin to harvest or pull the honey from the hives. Smokers are used to drive the bees into the bottom section of the hive. This process is harmless to the bees, and only natural ingredients are burned to create the smoke. The boxes, which are called supers, are then put on a pallet, loaded into trucks, and transported to the honey house. At the honey house, the supers are unloaded and stored in the hot room, which is kept at a constant temperature of 100 degrees to decrease the viscosity of the honey, making it easier to remove from the comb. Each box from the hive is placed on a conveyor to remove the individual frames. From there, they enter the uncapping machine. Sharp blades rotate at a high speed to remove the wax cappings from the comb. Each frame is checked to make sure that all the caps have been removed before entering the extractor. A total of 128 frames are loaded into the honey extractor. During the rotation, which lasts about 12 minutes, honey is spun out of the comb to the outside of the extractor and pumped into a spin flow separator. The separator is simply used to remove any wax particles that are still present in the honey. As the separator spins at a high speed, the honey, which is heavier than wax, moves to the outer wall through centrifugal force. After a thorough cleaning, the empty supers are stored for the winter, while the bees are transported by truck to various southern states for wintering. The bees are also trucked to states such as California to assist in the pollination of many fruits and vegetables. Bees play an essential role in pollinating a wide variety of crops, including almonds, apples, cherries, blueberries, and melons. The extracted honey is stored in large 2,500-gallon tanks, holding 60,000 pounds of honey. Honey is poured into 55-gallon barrels or directly pumped into stainless steel semi-tankers. It is then transported to one of Sue Bee Honey's 3 honey packaging plants. Located in Anaheim, California, Elizabethtown, North Carolina, and Sioux City, Iowa. Once at the plant, the honey is pumped or poured into large melting and blending ovens. From there, it goes through a state-of-the-art packaging system, leaving only pure 100% natural honey. Sue Bee honey containers are filled, inspected, and packed into cases for delivery to grocery stores around the world. The honey harvesting process has made many advances since the Sioux Honey Association was formed in 1921. But one thing remains the same: Sue Bee Honey's proud tradition of supporting generations of American beekeepers and their families.
Hi, my name is Tim Holman, the owner of Holman Apiaries in Dante, South Dakota, and I'm here with my crew, my wife Michelle, my son Alex, and my brother-in-law Dan Kotab. This is my crew year-round. I'm an American producer, and we're really proud of the product that we put out there. We feel that our product is second to none. Most companies like mine, or the size of mine, are actually generation to generation. Grandpa was a beekeeper, Dad was a beekeeper, and now the sons are taking over the outfit, as my son probably will someday, I hope. Sioux Honey kind of has that same feeling when we call down there and we talk to the people. It really is kind of an extended family. I'm an American beekeeper producing an American product.